If you really want to take your organization to the next level, that's when we need to start talking about the aptly named SOLIDWORKS Manage, which allows you to control the entire design and manufacturing process. New for Manage 2021 is the ability to create project lists. These lists can be created and customized to meet individual needs, and then they can be shared globally across the organization. The cool thing about these project lists is they provide a lot of visibility to all the different resource tools like scheduling, capacity planning, and load charts, which will ultimately just help you make more informed decisions about your projects. In this case, we can use all the information that we've got to go ahead and adjust, say, the delivery date or the start date of a particular project. Manage also allows us to assign tasks to users, and tasks are a great way to keep everybody up to date on the progress of a particular project. As users complete their tasks, they can just check them off, and the entire project status will be updated. New for 2021 is the Auto Update Project service, and this background service basically gets configured to check for task updates, and then it automatically updates the completion progress of project states. Also, any attachments that have been added to the task can be automatically transferred to the deliverable section of the project. So basically what we've done is taken all the capabilities that we had before and we're automating them to keep everybody up to date. Also new for this year are out-of-the-box task dashboards that can be accessed directly from the project. And this really just gives you a nice visualization of all the tasks, and you can actually access all the task information directly from this dashboard. So you can view completion statuses, you can view progress, and you can even move tasks between the different states to automatically update them. Items are a powerful way for us to capture data within SOLIDWORKS Manage, and this particular item record has a number of references to different SOLIDWORKS assemblies, and that data needs to be consolidated into a single manufacturing bill of material. Model-less windows now allow you to open multiple records and work with both of those records at the same time, and this is really going to be good for things like copy and pasting data from one bill of material to another. When using the Copy From command, you can select the assembly you want to copy and now preview the components to be added, deselecting any items that are not required. From within inside a bill of materials, you can actually access familiar editing tools now like Cut. So if I choose to cut items, those items are actually going to turn orange, indicating that they're currently undergoing a cut operation, and then once the bill of materials is saved, will actually disappear from the list just like you would expect. This assembly that we have here actually has sheet metal parts that need to undergo a laser cut operation for the flat pattern and then a bending operation on a brake press. New for Manage is the ability to create new and new from records directly from the bill of materials without having to exit the current record. Simply adjust any metadata and specify what should be carried over into the new record, and then Manage will go ahead and carry out that operation. To add this sheet metal component to these manufacturing operations, you can now use the dissolve command on its parent assembly. This command allows you to indicate which subassemblies you'd like to break down into their individual components, and once completed, you can remove the components that aren't required from the bill of material. Then simply cut and paste the sheet metal bracket into the laser operation and the brake press operation. New for the web client and Manage is the ability to preview SOLIDWORKS CAD data using the Web 2 functionality in PDM Professional. And what this gives you is full preview capability of e-drawings on the web to users of SOLIDWORKS Manage. And last but certainly not least, when it comes to sharing data with suppliers, we've really made it easy this year with the share command. This tool creates a unique link that can be added to an email or shared directly, and you can even add security precautions like passwords and link timeouts, and use templates that can be made available to ensure that all reference components are packaged up for download. Suppliers can simply click on the link to download the files you share with them, and it should make it easier than ever for you to collaborate inside and outside of your organization. From start to finish throughout the whole design process, SOLIDWORKS continues to enhance the way that we innovate and help push our companies forward into the future.